Jalagi Iniwone. Let's talk Cherokee.
The Cherokee syllabary is the writing system invented by Sequoyah. Each character represents a syllable in the Cherokee language. In this syllabary chart, the top row contains the 6 vowel sounds. The subsequent rows include the consonant sounds.
Ja,
Ja,
Cherokee. Jalagi.
Jalagi,
J,
Je,
Flute. Ajelugisti.
Ajelugisti,
G,
G,
Mouse. G stage.
G-Stagi,
Joe,
Jo,
Rattlesnake. Ujonati.
Ujonati,
Jew,
Jew,
Kettle. Julaski.
Julaski,
Ja,
Ja,
yourself. Jasa.
Jasa,
Go to the store by yourself. Jasa weda de da na na in.
Jasa, Weda, Didana, Na, I.